Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the strap, then pry or unscrew the case back using a case opener while resting the watch on a soft cloth. Once open, inspect the movement and battery orientation so you know how parts sit and how to reassemble them. Make sure to use a loupe to check for corrosion, debris, or a loose circuit contact. Keep small screws in a tray and photograph the layout. That reference saves time when you put things back together. With the battery type identified, gently release the battery clip or retainer using non-magnetic tweezers. Clean both battery contacts and surrounding pads with 90% isopropyl and a wooden peg or toothbrush to remove corrosion. This ensures good conductivity. Insert the new battery with correct polarity, then carefully reseat the clip so it makes firm contact. Once seated, tap the crown or press the contact point to restart the stepper motor. You should see the second hand or digital display respond immediately if the contact is good. After confirming the movement runs, realign the hands and ensure nothing rubs against the dial. Use hand levers if needed and avoid touching luminous paint. Replace the case back, compressing or replacing the gasket so the seal is intact. Torque screws evenly or snap the back into place. Test functions and timekeeping for several minutes. If the watch still fails, suspect a damaged circuit or stepper motor. Try a donor movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.